All right, so we arrived at our resort and we are loving it. This is the morning, day 2 of our trip to the Exuma. Still don't know where we are. We are at the Bahamas, Exuma, Bahamas. It's so beautiful. Look at the coconut tree with the coconut on there. This is what makes you feel like you are truly, truly, truly in an amazing place. So we are going to show you the upstairs of where we are. The girls, of course, LittleMissTravelers are doing a puzzle with your daddy because that's what they gave them.
Morning, everybody.
Yeah.
Yes, we are just taking a moment in our time to put this together. It's gonna be more than a moment, but we're gonna get through it.
Yeah, let's see what they try to do. Oh my gosh, this looks like crazy to me.
It's 500 pieces. It's literally 500 pieces. Look at all of them. And we finished a lot here.
Wow, 500 pieces. So this is what you do in the Bahamas. Well, you know what? We are going to be going to the beach this afternoon.
And guys, this is what we're trying to make.
In the Bahamas. Oh, it's all ocean life. Ocean life, beautiful ocean life.
It's
Awesome.
tropical sea.
Tropical
Sea world. So yeah, we're trying to make that right now, but it's gonna take a while. It's like gonna take like 2 days, I think. Like 2 more days.
Okay, so we're gonna have to tell the cleaners to not touch this because we are gonna be working on this. But yeah, this is what we have, and I wanted to show you guys the upstairs of where we are. This is the Grand Isle Resort in the Bahamas, Exuma's Bahamas. Everybody knows that the Exumas has about 365 islands here, and we are on the Great Exuma on here, and this is our resort. We got the two-bedroom luxurious, spacious place, and this is how it looks like. Look at how gorgeous this looks like. So the downstairs, of course, has, if you want to watch our other video, we did a tour of the whole place for you. Check out our video that we did that on. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe and share. Let us know what you think. But this is where we are this morning. We just woke up and we just wanted to show you the beautiful, beautiful upstairs and where we're gonna have breakfast here. And of course, you had the view of the marina over there. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful.
Make sure to look in the cabinet because we're gonna find this puzzle somewhere.
You're gonna find the puzzle somewhere in one of the places you stay. So make sure you get them done. All right? Yeah. Be sure to like, subscribe,
and be
All right. So this is a part of the resort. And we are gonna go to a fish place. They said this fish place is so good. We wanna go to the fish place and I tried some fish. So we are excited. Okay, right here. Excited.
We're so excited to get some fish at
Big D's, yeah. And tell us about the pizza yesterday, the island pizza.
Yesterday we had this really good pizza and it was chicken and goat cheese. It was so good. It was amazing because it's different. It's island style.
Island style pizza. This is my island.
Pizza was good.
All right, we are here at the Big D's, about to get some fish on, seafood. We are lovers of seafood, so we are gonna be, and it's right on the beach, right on the water. That is so beautiful. Look at this, the white sand. And by the way, you see Glenn has to spray everybody, see, because there's so many bugs and everything here. Oh my gosh, oh, I'm being sprayed. We need this. This resort, the Grand Isle, has 2 different pools. and so they want to go check out this other pool at 23 North. So we're gonna go to 23 North and check out the swimming pool right there. But as you can tell, that's the ocean right there. That is the ocean, guys. That's the ocean. It's so gorgeous, it's beautiful. I mean, I'm talking about real turquoise water. And there's also another restaurant over here at 23 North, and it's pretty amazing. It's like a fine dining spot on the resort that you can just check out the resort, and they have cabanas that you can use. That's all the cabanas that you can use, and they have the pool, which is pretty big also compared to the other one that we had. So it's pretty late, but look at that water though. Check out this water, so beautiful. Look at this. This is picture perfect. Check this out. So gorgeous, so beautiful. This is so perfect. And right from the restaurant, let me just take you back. Right from the restaurant, you are able to, that is the restaurant right there, 23 North. Those are my kids right there, Brooklyn and Lexington right there, and their daddy. That is the restaurant, 23 North. And when you turn around, the ocean is right there. You walk a couple of seconds and that's the resort, Grand Isle, and this is the ocean right there. Look at that vast ocean. And so it's a beautiful place to just relax and enjoy life.